Hey everyone, it is officially December, so I'm going to kick this month off with a shopping tip. It's really more of a keyboard shortcut, but we're going to have some fun with it. So if you're making your shopping list or your to-do list or whatever it is that you're working on, you can click Ctrl S to bring up the save window. The last thing you want to do is be working on something for hours upon hours and not save that document or that Excel sheet or whatever it is that you're working on. So just remember Ctrl S and you'll have your save window pop up automatically for you so you can save whatever you're working on wherever you need to save it. As always, I hope you guys have a great week. For more tech tips, make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel. And as always, feel free to reach out to me directly with questions at megan@easyit.com. Have a great week, everyone.